it's Laura here from East of Eden Plants. Welcome to this plant box living wall assembly video. Here's one we've constructed earlier using 10 plant boxes stacked on top of each other, and here's one we've done with 3 stacked on top of each other, and the assembly is quick and simple, and the instructions are coming up now. These are the components that come with each individual trough. First of all, we need to put the sides on. Now these are numbered. Okay, now what you need to do is align it with the top, place into the grooves, so top first and then click into the bottom. Okay, again align with the top, into the grooves, and then just click down at the bottom. Okay, next we need to put the shelves in. Now this is the wicking system. Okay, so this is what is going to be in contact with the water reservoir. Okay, so just slot through the grooves, pull through, nice and even. Okay, so the bottom part is going to be where the water reservoir is, which will then wick up into the soil. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our groove here, which needs to be placed into its slots at the back. Okay, make sure that your slots are at the back. Okay, so, and again for the other side, thread the felt through. Okay, even that up, slots towards the back, and to ensure uniform watering of the compost, place this additional longer felt on top. That will sit at the bottom of the soil. Okay, like so. Next, you'll find it easier to put the water level indicator, this polystyrene float, in first before the dividers. Okay, inside here we have a groove. The water level indicator just simply slots and drops down in place. Now we need to put in the divider plates. We have one for the centre, and they just slot into place like so, and one for the side. That's to keep the compost away from the water reservoir. Okay, so two dividers in like so. Okay, now we need to put in this is our filter. This will make sure that no compost gets into the water reservoir, and that one there just drops into place like so. And there we have it. That is now complete. If you would like to stack one trough on top of another, we have our clips here, and they just simply 1, click in, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. That will firmly hold in place another planter on the top. And if you want to stack your plant boxes side by side, they also come with these clips as well, which will hold them side by side. Now for the planting of our living wall. I've got a nice selection of ferns here. You want to start off with some good quality multi-purpose compost, and you want to fill it about halfway up. That way you'll still have room to pot your plants. Like so. Okay, so yeah, that's just about right. If you would like to create the illusion of a floating garden, in that you don't see too much of the plant box itself, we recommend using the biggest pot size possible, which are the 12 centimetre or 1 litre pots. And what you do is just squeeze the sides. There we go. That'll just help tease it out. Should just fall out easily now. Lovely. Right, okay, and then it's just a case of now putting that in. Okay, now just a tip here, because you are creating the effect of a living wall, you do want to plant them in at an angle so that they're shooting outwards rather than upwards. So do plant them at an angle. Okay, again, some nice leafy ferns. Okay, just sort of tease that a bit. Put that one in. Okay, so now I'm just going to fill in the gaps with some more compost. And then just press down firmly just to make sure that there's good contact. And then again, press down firmly. Okay, don't fill it too high, otherwise you'll get compost spilling out over the sides. Okay. Right, lovely. And again, putting it in an angle so that they're shooting out. And we've got one here, comes out nice and easily. And there we go. Just place that one in again at an angle so that it's shooting out. I'm just, oh, there we go. I'm just going to give that one a, just tease that one a bit. There we go. So it's shooting outwards. And then just fill in the gaps. Pressing down as we go. And then that's that one done. Once you finish planting, sometimes you can't help it, but you may have got a bit of compost in your filter. Just make sure that's clear before you continue. Now to fix it to the wall, you can see there's two holes here at the back for the fixings. You fix these to the wall like you would with any shelving. We recommend that you fix the bottom one first and then screw in every third trough. So I'm now just screwing in my final top planter. Okay, so that is now firmly in place. So I've started from the bottom and then I've stacked up. And there we go. There is your very own vertical garden. I'm going to show you the watering system. What I really love about this model is that there is an integrated water reservoir which is completely separate from the planting, and the filter will stop anything from clogging up the system like compost and leaves and things. And the very clever thing is the water level indicator, which will show you exactly when you need to refill the water reservoir, and I'll show you that right now. I'm now going to fill up the system with water. So I start at the top through the filter, and the water level indicator will show you exactly how much water there is in the water reservoir below. One of the great advantages of this system is that you only have to fill from the top, and then the water will filter down. So I've stripped this one down just to show you how it works. So once you've filled up your water reservoir to the max, when it's on full, right at the top, keep on pouring. Once it overflows, it will then pass down to the one below it, which will then pass down to the one below that. So you only ever need to water from the top. So to stack on top of each other, you've just put the clips in, one on each corner. There we go, 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Okay, so what you want to do is gently push your plants out the way, just ease them forward, and all you do is you put them on your clips. Okay, push down, and there we go. I've now put the 3 together, and as you can see, they are truly modular. You can stack vertically, side by side, to fit any dimensions, any space, so you really can have the living wall that you want to fit your situation inside or out, and it's an effect that nothing else can rival. To find out more, please do visit us on www.eastofeldenplants.co.uk. Thanks for watching.